Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to study one more library function of a string, and it is strcat. Now what this function does, actually it is used to concatenate two strings. Now what is the meaning of concatenation? Suppose you want to join two strings. Okay, so to joining a two strings, strcat function is used. So let us see it by example. Now here I initialize two string again for the better understanding. Otherwise you can scan the value for these two strings from the user. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to join these two strings. Okay, so basically you have to decide where you want to join this string, means whether you join S2 to S1 or whether you join S1 to S2. Okay, what kind of output I want? I want hello world. That means I want to join S2 to S1. Okay, so according to that you have to use this strcat function. So let me write a syntax. So here you will say strcat. Then since I want to join S2 with S1, so I'll write S1 first and S2 later. Okay, now what happens? The content of S2 get appended to S1. Means if I print the S1 string, what will be my output? My output will be hello. My output will be hello world. Okay, my output will be what? Hello world. So as you can see here, the original content of S1 get changed. Initially S1 was what? Hello. But once I concatenated the S2 string to S1, S1 changes. The content of S2 get appended to S1. Similarly, if you said S2 comma S1, then content of S1 get appended to S2. Now many times there is a requirement that you do not want to change the original string. Okay, you want to keep the result of concatenation in a different string. Okay, so let us see what we can do for that. So in that case, what we can do, we can declare a third variable, third string or third character array, okay, which will store the result of concatenation, say quite big enough. Okay, now first of all, what will I do? I will transfer the content of S1 to S3. Okay, what I said? I will transfer the content. That means I have to copy the content of S1 to S3 first. So here I'll say strcpy. We already studied strcpy function which copies the content of one string to another. So here the content of S1 to S3 get copied. So here my S3 is what? S3 is hello. And later I'll say strcat. Suppose you want space in between this. Look at here, there is no space. So what you can do, you can specify the space in double quote. Okay, in introductory lecture only we studied that everything defined in a double quote is considered as what? String. Here also we are initializing string in this way. We are enclosing it in what? Double quote. Okay, so either to your function you can provide a string literal or you can provide an array of characters. It do not matter. So after this, what happened? The space get appended after hello, because what did we say? We said cat, not copy. Actually, what does copy will do? Copy will totally overwrite your string, whereas what cat will do? It will append to the existing string. Now here I'll say strcat S3 comma S2. So the content of second string, that is S2, get again appended to S3. So initially it was hello. After this statement it will be hello and space. So just for the purpose of understanding I am just showing you the space like this, and after this it will be hello space and word. So in this way you can collect it in the third string also. Suppose you do not want to change the original string, but if you follow this way, so remember this thing, that your original string is going to be changed. So I hope you understand this. In next video we are going to see one more interesting library function of a string. Thank you.